everybody, it's Rachel Scott with Monat, and today I want to go over Monat's Intense Repair Shampoo. First, I want to remind you that every single one of Monat's shampoos promotes new hair growth. Each one of our shampoos contains our Rejuvenate oil and Capixyl and actually breaks down the buildup on your hair and scalp, removes it, wakes up those dormant hair follicles, and promotes that new hair growth, all while repairing your hair. But each shampoo has a strength, so let's see if this one is for you. Intense Repair is just that, you guys. It says intense and it's intense. I recommend this for my customers that have extreme thinning. I really only want you to use this if you have bald spots on your hair. And the reason is it has 3 times the hair growth ingredient in it, you guys. It is intense. So when you go to the doctor and you need a prescription for whatever is bothering you, you want the prescription that fits what you need and your symptoms. You don't want one that is too strong. You don't want to overdo it. So let's say hair thinning is still your number one concern and you really want 3 times the hair growth ingredient in it, but you don't have extreme thinning and balding. That's just not you. What I can recommend is the Monat Black. It has 3 times the hair growth ingredient in it too. But you'll notice it doesn't say intense. It's a 2-in-1. It has that conditioner in there. So while it's delivering that intense therapy to your hair, it's going to provide a little extra protection and hydration to your hair. And I think that is key to keeping your hair the way that you want it. I love this shampoo. I was really concerned with the 2-in-1. I didn't think it would get my hair clean. I love it. It's very clarifying. I think you'll like it. It has a pepperminty smell that most people just love. Now, I still use a rinse out conditioner with this. I recommend that. If you have extreme breakage along with your thinning, then I would personally start with one of our other shampoos, the Renew, to help repair that hair before you move on to one of these. But remember, you guys, this is intense. Let's say you started out with Monat and you love this shampoo and you're having great results with it. That is fabulous. But do ask yourself, do I need intense repair long term? It may not be something that you want to use every day. You might want to try one of the other shampoos. So talk to your market partner and see what's best for your hair type, because I really like to get you started off with a shampoo and let you really experience the benefits of Monat. My contact information is below, or contact the market partner that shared this information with you.